Just this one. Hey, do you have water filter at home?
I think I do.
Because last week my mom just bought one, and if I'm not mistaken, the brand is Quack Quack.
Wow, I heard that's a huge brand.
Yeah, I know.
Do you know how it works?
Yeah, I just dream, but I don't know how it actually functions and works.
Do you want to find out?
Yeah, let's go!
Sand filtration is one of the ways to clean and purify water. There are several types of sand filtration, but the most commonly used are slow sand filtration and rapid sand filtration. Rapid sand filtration is more of a mechanical process where contaminants are trapped in between sand, known as mechanical trapping. Negatively charged sand may attract positively charged contaminants, causing adsorption. Slow sand filters, on the other hand, focuses more on removing the biological contaminants, mainly protozoa and bacteria, through a biological layer called Schmutzstücke. Microbiota of this layer helps to eliminate the biological contaminants.
Now, let's take a look back at how the sand filter was created. Water filtration was becoming more popular by the 18th century. La Hire, a French scientist, proposed that every household in the country have a rainwater system and a sand filter. Sir Francis Bacon began experimenting with seawater desalination in 1627. He attempted to remove salt particles using a crude form of sand filtration. It did not exactly work, but it did pave the way for other scientists to conduct further research. In 1804, the town of Paisley in Scotland built the world's first municipal water purification plant. To purify the water, this plant used both gravel and sand filters. Water was delivered using a horse and cart rather than a pipe system at this time.
So, why should we go for sand filtration? Firstly, sand filtration has been proven to filter microorganisms well, specifically or especially protozoa and bacteria. Not only that, sand filtration also can filter physical and chemical contaminants well. This will produce a high quality effluent with low total suspended solids as well as low impermeability. Sand filtration is also a good choice of wastewater treatment, especially in rural areas. This is because they require low maintenance as well as simple to be used. It is also a good choice of wastewater treatment as it can be built from local resources, making it low cost. And since sand filtration usually is done through the help of gravity, which pulls the water down through the filter, it is very energy efficient.
In addition to its utility and benefits, sand filtrations also have some drawbacks that should be considered. Certain factors may cause serious problems if not addressed properly. Sand filtration is prone to clogging when the wastewater is high in turbidity. This polluted water must be treated and disposed of. Therefore, for heavily loaded wastewater containing suspended and sinkable matter, a preliminary sedimentation step is required. However, this pre-treatment contributes to higher initial cost. Next, a virus also cannot be trapped by the sand filtration due to its small size and it is undetectable. Furthermore, fine dust also cannot be removed by this sand filtration because it is too small inside. Apart from that, sand filtrations also require a large area of land to build the plant. Since the populations in the world has increased throughout the year, this has become one of the biggest challenges faced by the sand filtration.
Now, I will talk about the types of contaminants that filtered out by both rapid and sand filter. For rapid sand filter, it is effective to remove coagulation, flocculation solid particles, and impurity sediment in the wastewater during the pre-treatment. On top of that, rapid sand filter also can remove turbidity of the wastewater. However, it is not effective to remove all the bacteria, viruses, fluoride, and odor due to rapid mechanisms applied during the treatment process. On the other hand, backwashing process is necessary to unclog the sand pores as it can cause ineffectiveness of these mechanisms. Next, we move to slow sand filter. Slow sand filters are effective to remove larger solid particles such as coarse-grained sand and gravel wastewater. On the other hand, this type of mechanisms also good at removing the turbidity, odor, taste, manganese, and arsenic in a single treatment step. This method is important to improve the wastewater. Besides, slow sand filters also filtered out most of the microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, and organic matters present in the wastewater.
The sand filter is widely used in the water industry all over the world. Aside from that, it can also be used in community areas as they use materials that are available for most people. However, in the food industry, the filtered water is not safe for drinking unless pre-treatment and disinfection is applied. Hence, its application is reserved for industrialized countries or urban areas where land is a limiting factor.